We are
We are
fine, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Should all good. That's the grace of Almighty. So today, what
Yes,
we are
sir.
supposed to do?
Page number 66 to 68.
Yes, sir.
But sir, you did not do atomic number.
From isotopes and all.
Okay, I will complete it today.
So we are supposed to do from atomic number.
Yes,
From
yes.
atomic
65.
number till isotopes.
Okay, that's very good. And that's the join quickly because
Allahu
All right.
Akbar.
yeah,
Right, sir.
it's,
Sir, you are new in our school, right? You haven't seen us like we are your students because of online classes, right?
yes, I'm not getting you. Please speak a little louder.
So she's saying this that you
Sir,
are new
I'm
to
saying that you are new to us. You are a new teacher. So you haven't seen us all your
Yes,
students, right?
yes,
You haven't seen all your students.
not yet. I haven't
Yes,
seen
sir. Due to
most of
online
the
classes.
students.
Sir,
So
who have you seen? Afira and
only that one, that girl.
Afira.
Yes, quickly start it.
Oh.
Okay, just first of all, before starting the class, I want to say what about the assignment? Some
Sir,
ask
now which assignment you gave?
the previous one is still many of
Okay.
you. Today's
I
before
actually
listen to me before starting. I just write down the assignment. Today's assignment. Okay, assignment is just don't say that deadline is finished. Okay, uh, you have to write fractional distillation of crude oil.
sir, fractional distillation of crude oil.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a new assignment which you are giving us.
Yes.
Let me set an alarm. 1 second.
You can set alarm. You can set anything. Okay, everyone see it. This assignment. Okay, first of all, we are starting it. Okay, that about atomic number. You all know about atomic number. Okay, so atomic number is basically what we say.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, beta.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, please.
So, atomic number, sir, this is a number of proton in the nucleus of an atom.
Okay, and yes, Fatima Zafar, you tell me, please.
And sir, this is denoted by Z.
Yes, beta. Abhiya, you can also say.
Sir, I'm Munazza.
Okay, so the
I
number
am
of
just
a
seeing you are
proton
raising the.
in one atom of an element is known as atomic number of that element.
Okay, so and atomic numbers is just same as number of protons.
In the atom of an element.
In the
Okay.
atom.
Uh, electrons
So should
and
I try for the
protons
next one?
are same. Okay, so these are the basically some you can say that about atomic numbers. Okay, so
Yes.
atomic number you all understood that it is a number of electrons, it is a number of protons, it is represented by Z. Okay, so you can say it. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the mass number then?
So should
So
I
should I
tell?
tell?
Sir, I tell? Sir, should I tell?
Just hold on. Okay. For yes. Who is this? Yes, Dua Khan, you tell me please. What's that?
Sir, the number of neutrons and protons, the number of neutrons and protons present in the nucleus of an atom is the mass number. and it is represented by A.
It is not necessary, but usually it is represented by that thing, but it is not necessary that to present that this number by A only. Okay. For notification, you have to take any number, any alphabet, but you have to write what you suppose by this
Sir,
number.
can I tell?
Okay. Yes, beta, you can tell.
Mass number.
Yes. So, yes, tell me about that.
Sir, the mass number is known as an nuclear number, the total number of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of atom. It is known as mass number. And sir, mass number is denoted by A.
Okay, you can tell. Okay, you can say represented by A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Represented by A, and it is a number of protons plus number of, what do we say?
Neutron.
Neutrons.
Neutrons.
Nucleus.
Yes, neutrons.
Present in the
Okay, so you can say that
So it is number of protons plus number of neutron.
Or sir, we can also
Also
say it
say that
number of
nucleons.
nucleons.
Yes,
Protons plus
also
neutrons.
said as it is a number of nucleons. Okay, and nucleons is basically the sum of, yes, nucleon is the sum of
Protons
Proton
and
and
neutrons.
neutrons.
plus neutrons. Okay, so this is very good, mashallah, that you know it. Another? Yes.
Sir, are you there?
Sir,
Sir, you speaking something?
Sir, are you there? So you're muted.
Sir, are you there?
Yes, is it clear? Is I'm audible?
Sir, what? Sir, you were
Yes, sir,
muted.
you're audible.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir, now you're
Okay,
audible.
okay. So tell me about electronic configuration.
Sir, should I tell?
What is electronic configuration?
Sir, we did not. Sir, should
Ma'am,
I
should
tell?
I tell? Sir, sir.
Sir, should I tell?
Yes, wait, beta.
Sir, should I
Yes,
tell?
Umrah and Muhammad Umar.
Munazza.
Actually, Umrah and Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar, you tell me. Yes, these are brothers and sisters, Umrah and Muhammad Umar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So how I know which is, who is replying me? Umar or Umrah?
Sir, we both are replying you.
That's very diplomatic answer. Yes, Umar, you please reply.
Sir, you can understand
Like,
our
that is a
voice.
clever answer.
Sir, you can understand our
Yes, yes,
voice.
I can, inshallah, I will try my best to distinguish, okay? Just tell me about electronic configuration. What is, this is a very, very important thing, okay? In the
Sir, I
upcoming
tell?
class, yes.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes,
electronic
no.
configuration.
Umar, you tell. What is configuration and what is atomic configuration?
Sir, it is the distribution of electrons in different shells around the nucleus.
Around the nucleus. Okay, this is the distribution of electrons around the different shells. Okay. For example, suppose that yes, Umar, you reply me. I'm making the things, you just reply me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am making the diagram. You just reply me what I'm asking you so that I can write it
Okay, sir.
over. Okay. This is your what can I say? Okay, some shells are there. Okay. My this is not totally good. Yes, tell me what is in the bit in center, this part. Umar, tell me this what is this part called as in the center of the atom. Yes, Umar, are
Sir,
you
nucleus.
okay? Nucleus, is there. Okay, and second thing is that uh, what are these things? Where are the electrons lies?
Yes,
Where
sir.
are the electrons lies inside the nucleus? Where are electrons lies?
Sir, orbit.
In the orbit. So you can say here in the orbits you have some electrons which are stationary. Okay, Umar,
Yes,
these
sir.
electrons are
Sir, in sec-
stationary. Yes, these
Yes, sir.
electrons are stationary. I am asking to you that these electrons are stationary. Yes or no? Is these
Yes,
electrons are stationary?
yes,
Means
yes,
they
sir.
are okay. Means in an atom, electrons just stay as it is. They are not moved.
Yes, sir. It is
They are,
stationary.
they are not moving. They are not
Sir,
revolving.
moving.
You are just
Sir,
saying
revolving.
you are just saying stationary means what? The position is fixed. Huh? What does
No, sir, they
stationary
are not
means?
stationary.
Okay, they are revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so as they are
Yes, sir.
revolving around the nucleus, so what is this? These shells, these are called as your shells. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
the electrons having the same energy in all the orbits or different energies?
Sir, different.
Different energies are there. Okay, tell me that suppose when an electron jumps, okay, from one orbit to another orbit, you can say when electron
Yes,
jumps
sir.
from one orbit to another orbit, but then what happened? Suppose that this is your uh, okay orbit, and here you have your electrons revolving in it. Okay, these are the electrons that are revolving. Right? Different electrons are there, so they are revolving. So the first shell, this is your nucleus. Okay, the what is the name of first shell?
Nucleus.
Okay, nucleus is in the shell. Very good.
What, sir?
Nucleus is present in the shell.
No, sir.
What is
the
the
right
name?
hand.
What is the name of this? Yes, Umrah. You can. Yes, Umrah.
That
Yes,
Sadhika.
I'm asking Umrah.
Ma'am, sir, electrons orbit.
Beta, what is the name? Is his name K shell? Yes, I told it earlier also. This is your L shell, second
Sir,
shell.
sir, ground state.
What ground state, beta? As they are revolving, they are called as in the ground state. So what happened to when electron jumps from lower energy to higher energy? Is the energy absorbed or released? Is anyone?
Sir,
Uh, tell me.
absorb.
Energy is absorbed. Yes. Okay. So remember this thing when an electron jumps. Okay. When an electron jumps
Sir,
from
they
lower
gains.
from lower energy to higher, it absorbs
Sir,
energy.
when it jumps from lower to higher, it gains, and from higher to lower, it loss.
It emits energy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So remember this thing that whenever electrons moves from one orbit to another, there is an exchange of energies. Either they emit energy or either they absorb energy. Is it clear? So
Yes, sir.
another thing which is important is that yes, how many number of electrons present in the shells? Okay.
Sir, in inner shell 2, then outer shell 8.
Yes. Just tell me how many how many electrons are present
Inner
in
shell 2, and sir,
uh,
outer shell 8.
how you will calculate? Is there any formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me.
So the formula is 2n square,
2n square.
where
Okay.
where n is the number of energy shells.
Okay. And 2n square. Okay, that's good. So if you can see n is 3, then you will put 3 to the power 2. Okay. So in this way, number of electrons present can be calculated. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is octet rule? Any idea about octet rule?
Yes, sir.
Octet rule is there. Okay. Do you have
Octet
any?
rule.
So write it.
Yes, you can tell.
So should I tell?
The last shell of the this last shell mm, mm, of the atom
Should I tell?
can hold only
So should I tell?
Wait, beta.
eight shells. This is the octet rule.
This is the
No,
octet
sir,
rule.
she's wrong.
The octet rule states that what? Tell me the maximum number of electrons. Yes,
Sir,
continue.
can I tell? Munazza?
Can I tell what is octet rule? Fatima Zafar.
Yes, Okasha. Are you there? Your mic is working today or not? Yes, basically octet rule is the maximum number of electrons that the outermost shell of an electron having. Okay. And the
So it's the
maximum
number of electrons that the
mag-
valence shell has.
Sir,
and what,
octet rule.
is this any exception?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, it is that the valence shell of an atom cannot hold more than 8 electrons.
And what is the minimum number of electrons which are present in an initial?
Yes.
What is the number of minimum electrons that are present in any shell? Number of electrons that are present in a shell, minimum number of electrons.
2.
Sir, 8.
So the minimum number can
Yes.
so the minimum number can be anything. It can be 1 also. If like we have K, L, M, N, if K has 2, then L can have 1. But if maximum capacity is 8,
So, but we have different capacities
Actually,
for each
yes, sir.
shell.
Okay. Because hydrogen has only one electron and one proton, so it is only the exception.
So it's an exception.
So it
So
is
it's
it
an
is
exception. It's
two.
unstable.
So minimum 2 you can you can say K shall accumulate minimum of 2. Okay, for except a hydrogen atom. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can make, if I give, you can make the electronic contribution configuration.
Don't do that.
Is it clear? Can you make the electronic configuration of lithium atom?
Yes, sir.
Can you make the electronic configuration of lithium?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Send me the electronic configuration diagram of a hydrogen. Oh, sorry, nitrogen atom. Okay,
Sir, lithium or nitrogen?
nitrogen. Go 7. Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. Having a atomic number 7. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I got the answer. Should I tell?
Yes.
So should I tell?
So it is,
Sir,
so it
should
is
I
2
tell?
to 5.
How
2,
many
5.
students are saying this? Yes. Okay.
So it is 2, 5.
2, 5. This is the electronic configuration. And where is the diagram? Send me the diagram also.
So on your personal number?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just sending.
Sir, outer shell 5 and sir, inner shell 2.
Yes. It's a 2,
Sir,
5
in
in the
outer
first. In the outer shell, how many there? 3 or 5? 5 are there.
5.
Okay.
So 5.
And sir,
Okay.
inner shell 2, 7.
Okay. So yes, tell me about this also. Have you have any idea or about isotopes? What are they and how they are?
Sir, I've sent you on your personal number.
Yes.
I have.
Yes. Who is sending me? Let me check. Dua Khan has sent me. Yes. 2. Okay. 5. Fatima Zafar has sent me. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I tell isotopes.
Send me the electronic configuration also.
Sir, I know about isotopes. Can I tell?
Sir, I tell isotopes.
Yes,
I
you
tell?
tell me. Yes, yes, from the boys' side.
Sir, I tell Muhammad Umar Khan.
You tell beta.
Sir, isotopes are sir, each of 2 or more forms of the same element. Sir, that contains equal number of proton but different number of neutron
Sir, can I
in the
tell?
nucleus.
Beta.
Sir, should I
You can
tell?
also, yes. And tell me the yes. Tell me, then
Sir, is
I'll
it
ask.
Should
correct?
I tell?
Yes, tell me, please. Okay, I'm
Sir,
mute
is
you
it,
all and I can ask you one by one. Okay,
Right,
so that.
sir, is it correct?
Okay, wait. Okay, yes. You can send Dua Khan. You are raising your hand. Just tell to me. Dua Khan. I unmute you. You can talk now.
Sir, the atoms of the same element having the different number of neutrons.
Different number of neutrons. Then this give rise to what thing? Yes, that's you are right that elements having different same element having different number of neutrons give rise to an isotopes. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Anyone else? Fatima Zafar. Tell me that.
Yes, sir. It is that isotopes of an element, they have the same atomic number but different atomic masses.
Okay,
For
for
example,
different.
hydrogen, there are 3 atoms. There are 3 types of hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, and tritium. And the atomic mass of protium is 0 and the atomic mass of deuterium is 1 and the atomic mass of tritium is no. The
Zero.
atomic
Who's
mass
zero?
of
Whose atomic mass? Zero. Number of nucleus, tell me.
no
Three
sir, by
isotopes.
mistake I told. Sir, atomic mass of protium is 1
And atomic mass of next one? Deuterium.
of deuterium is 2 and
And
tritium is 3.
okay. So there are other isotopes also. Like here it is given on page number 66 that it is carbon having number of neutrons as 12, 13 and 14. So 3 isotopes of carbon are there. Okay, similarly 3 isotopes for oxygen and 2 isotopes for chlorine. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. So anyone can tell about some fractional distillation? Please raise, lower your hand and tell it to me so that you can submit your work on time. Yes, tell me fractional distillation of crude oil. Okay, maybe you can tell me. Yes,
Sir, can you
Munazza,
please repeat your question?
I am saying that will you tell me about
Sir, but
some
if we'll answer it here, then what will write in the assignment?
just give me a brief introduction because still
Oh,
some many of you will not submit in time. But
all
give
right, sir. So, sir, should I continue?
continue, beta.
Okay. So, sir, like we know that distillation is also a, sir, fractional distillation and distillation are almost, we can say they are the same, but there's a little difference. In distillation, there is a difference between their boiling points, which can be of 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius.
That's right.
I mean to 25 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. But in
Yes.
fractional distillation, it is of miscible liquids which have closer boiling points. They cannot
Okay.
be separated by simple distillation processes. So the same is with crude oil. There is a little difference in their setup also.
Okay.
In
What is
distillation and
the
in
setup?
fractional
What is the setup there in fraction distillation?
Sir, can
What?
I
So
please
in
tell? I'm so
fractional
sorry to
Beta, wait.
distillation,
interrupt, but I was unable to hear that.
Wait, beta. Yes, please tell me. Munazza, you
sir, in
continue.
fractional distillation,
Huh.
so it is the same. We have a distillation flask, we have a Bunsen burner, we have a condenser, we have flask,
That's
but
all
the
right. What
difference
is the
is a
difference there?
fractionating column. The
Fraction column is
fractionating
there.
column.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Very good. Fraction column is there. And what is the role of that fractional column?
Sir, the one which has the higher boiling point, it goes into the fractionating column, which a little difference is there. It goes into the fractionating column, and the
Okay.
leftover then it goes to the condenser, and then it comes out. And the
Okay,
one
very good,
which
very
has
good, very
lower,
good, very good. Yes.
it is left
Yes, anyone
inside
can
the
continue from
distillation.
here. If you see it, which part of the crude oil that comes first? Having, does anyone continue? Which part of the crude oil that separated the first from its component, from its crude form?
Sir,
Yes,
should I tell?
Navya, you can tell me.
Should I?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So,
Naveen.
in the process, in the fractional column, first we have at the bottom we have the fuel oil, and then above that we have the diesel, and then we have kerosene, and then there's a mixture called gasoline there.
Okay, so according to the boiling point, they get separated, and there is
Yes,
a window, or we can say there is a
fractions are being formed there.
fractions are there. So according to whatever the vapors come, they condense there and be separated. In this way, we get the different products from the same crude form. Is it clear, everyone? Now,
Yes.
students, you can do the work.
Yes, sir.
Boys especially, because the same girls repeating and they are submitting the work in time. So this thing is clear. Yes, anyone from the boys side can conclude me today's lecture. from the boys side. Ahmad Misbah is there. Okay. Ukasha.
So should I conclude today? But sir, today we were supposed to complete till atomic mass also we haven't done, sir. And sir, we haven't discussed more about isotopes and what were the drawbacks of the first theory which was given. And we did not discuss about the valence electrons, valence shell, and like you said till 68.
That's
So we
right.
didn't discuss till 68.
Okay. Yes.
We
Anyone?
We
took
only
it
discussed till
Yes.
66.
66 we discussed today only. Okay.
So we
Yes.
still have
So
time
should
till
I
12.
conclude?
Yes. Okay. Tell me. Continue. Yes. Okay. 67.
should I?
Yes. Subatomic due to the discovery of subatomic particles. Yes. Continue. Yes.
So
Tell
should
me
I
about this. Yes.
continue?
Munazza, you continue, beta. Mr. Kafil.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So should I
beta.
continue about the isotopes?
No, you continue from page number 67.
All
Okay.
right. So, sir, in page number 67, we have electronic configuration. So, as many people have answered that electronic configuration is the distribution of electrons around the nucleus of
Yes.
that particular element.
Okay.
So now when we come around electronic configuration, there were many theories which came out of all the theories. There was a Bohr-Bury scheme,
Burberry scheme.
which
Bohr-Bury
which was by sorry, actually bad in the pronunciation of Bury. Like
Okay.
I feel it very difficult to pronounce.
Yes,
So,
continue.
sir, in Bohr-Bury scheme, there were certain rules and regulations which were given for electronic configuration of electrons around the nucleus, or
Okay.
else the people would do it and at any way they want.
Mhm.
So we in around. So the modern scheme is based on Bohr-Bury scheme. So, sir, in this we have 4 shells, which is K, L, M, and N, and we have the formula to take out, which is 2n
What about the
square.
other shells? Is there no other shells after N?
Yes, sir. There are so many
Sir,
shells. It depends.
there are many shells, but
Many
we at the
means how
basic
many?
level are being
Okay,
taught.
okay. Up to 4. K11. Yes.
Sir. So, sir, there are 4 shells with different energy levels. For K shell, the energy level of electrons is 2. For L, it is 8.
8.
For M, it is 18. And for N, it is 32.
Okay.
Now, when we fill the electrons, there comes, like for example, if I take the example of lithium atom,
Lithium.
it has 3 electrons. So, sir, the first shell, which is the K shell, it will be filled. But now
Okay.
1 electron is still left. So, we'll place it into the L shell.
Okay.
We
So
can fill the L shell
so
till
tell
8.
me this thing question comes. Yes, question comes very good. If there is only 1 electron is there in the outer shell, okay. So it is easy to extract that electron, or it is very difficult to extract that electrons. How the bonding takes place, because this part
So, the bonding,
this part
One,
takes a
shell-
very important role in making a bond, okay, or
yes, sir.
ionic bond.
Sir, it is easy to lose 1 electron than to gain 7 electrons. For example, L shell, its maximum capacity is 8. So it will require, an atom of lithium will require 8 electrons in its outer shell to be stable,
Yes, very good.
you know. So
Yes.
that is why only 1 electron is there in its L shell, but 8 are supposed to be there. So obviously it is easy to take
Easy
to
if suppose
lose
that
1
yes,
instead
very
of
good.
gaining 7.
But tell me this thing also, very good, that's nice. If there are four electrons are there, okay, in the
Yes.
outermost shell, okay, so what happens in
Yes.
that case?
So,
So then also
so
they'll,
either it will share the electrons, either it will give the electrons or take electrons.
or it will gain.
Means which type of bond is there? Ionic or covalent? You studied it
Sir,
or not?
sir, we haven't studied this yet.
Okay.
It will be further in this chapter, but I've already studied this.
Okay, basically,
So,
listen to me. This is because
it
this is
can be
listen to me. This is a little bit of relation between these. I'm telling to you, whenever there is a transfer, okay, of electrons, there is an ionic bond formation, and when this sharing takes place, then there is a covalent bond formation. Is it clear?
yes, sir, I
So-
know it.
So
So
it
there
will
is one
come
more
later.
factor.
Yes.
So there is one more factor
should
that
I
in
tell?
covalent bond, Munazza Kafil, can I just
So
speak?
beta,
Yes,
wait,
Zabiha Nadeem, continue.
beta, don't do that. Okay. Don't start such type of things. Yes.
So in covalent bond, we have the bonding of the same elements, right? And in electrovalent, we have the bonding of different elements. Like for example, hydrogen in
Hmm.
H2O, we have hydrogen of two atoms are present of hydrogen.
Okay.
One of one hydrogen and the second of second
Okay.
hydrogen,
Okay.
and
Then
they combine together.
okay.
So
Okay.
that is a covalent
That is the case of.
bond.
Okay. That's very good. So
And
here
sir,
also. Yes.
it's
Yes.
covalent bond here also, because there will be two atoms of lithium. They'll share four atoms. They'll be stable.
Hydrogen, lithium,
That
lithium.
is what I
Not
was trying to say
atoms,
from this much
electrons.
time.
No, not atoms.
I mean
Beta.
electrons. Two. I will.
Yes.
Okay, so these things basically you are saying that these pages are left. This is starting the formula is there discussed. Octet rule is discussed. Valency is discussed. Basically, yes. Anyone who can give me more emphasizes on valency can tell me what is valency basically. Yes, Ammar Zahid, are you there? Ammar Zahid.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you tell me what is that valency? What is that thing?
Sir, what?
Valency. Or yes, tell me what is valency? What is that? One thing is valency and one is valence electrons. What is the difference, or they are same? Yes. Sadiqa, will you tell me what is the difference between valency and valence electron? Yes, Fatima Zafar. Okay, you can talk now.
Yes, sir. There is a difference between valency and valence electrons. Valency is usually the number of electrons present in the valence shell or in the outermost shell of an atom, and valence electrons means the electrons that are present in the outermost shell. No, sir, they are same.
They are same. Valency is yes. Anybody? Yes, Sadiqa, you tell me valency and valence electrons are same or different?
Yes, sir. Valency means the combining capacity of the electron of the atom of an element. Means what is the capacity of the atom? What is the capacity to combine? But valence
Electrons?
electron you asked.
Yes.
Valence electrons means the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. Valence shell of an atom.
Okay, so valency means the combining capacity. Okay, and valence electrons are the number of electrons which are present in the outermost shell. Okay,
In valence shell.
okay, that's good. So suppose that if valency of what is the valency of sodium? How will you find the
Yes,
valency
sir.
of any? How will you conclude or calculate the valency of any element? What is the valency you will calculate? How will you calculate the valency of sodium or oxygen?
The the valency of sodium.
Yes, how will you calculate? Is there any way of calculating the things?
Yes, sir. Electronic configuration.
Yes. So tell me what will be the valency of that sodium?
The valency of sodium will be 1.
1.
Sodium is 11. Atomic number is 11. So in the first shell there will be 2 electrons, and in the second it will be 8, and in the last shell it will be 1. So its
Okay.
valency will be 1.
So means on the basis of electronic configuration, we can able to tell the valency
The
of an
valency of the
yes.
atom.
Okay, so it's very nice that on the electronic configuration very important. Before that,